I would definitely recommend Think Renewable for a business that uses most of its power during the day. My name's Ben Pomeroy and my business is Blair's Tyre Service. Everything in our workshop requires electricity, whether it be tyre fitting machines, balancers, three-phase hoists. I can't shut my business down at any time. We really wanted to reduce our bills. The best way to do that was utilise the free sun. Think Renewable got in touch with me. They put a plan together for me. It was an easy process. I purchased from Think Renewable a 40 kilowatt system and a SunGrow inverter. Challenges are the building south facing. Think Renewable were able to put tilts on all the panels so I can get the best result. They even came in on the weekend to hook it up to the power board so that I didn't have any downtime at all. There's a small investment to start off with, but with the output of what the panels are doing, it'll only be a few short years. They'll have paid for themselves and then it's all basically free money from there. My energy bills were over $6,000 for a quarter, and now it looks like they're going to be going down to about $3,000. I would definitely consider to use Think Renewable and put batteries into the system. Well, my future plans will be to engage Think Renewable to fit solar panels on my other 4 sites as soon as possible.